Florida Real Estate 63-hour course flashcards, 22 questions with explained answers. Flashcard 1. Term, Florida Administrative Code 61J2 established the Florida Real Estate Commission rules. True/false. Definition, true. Flashcard 2. Term, Florida legislature regulates professions when the unregulated practice can harm the public is not adequately protected by other laws, and less restrictive means of regulation are not available. True/false. Definition, true. Flashcard 3. Term, 2. Definition, expert information is the product that a broker, sales associate, or broker associate must market and contribute to a real estate transaction in all of the following areas except 1. Knowledge of property transfer. 2. Knowledge of estate management. 3. Knowledge of market conditions. 4. Knowledge of how to market real estate. Flashcard 4. Term, 1. Definition, Max owns a piece of real estate but does not live in it. Max is called 1. An absentee owner. 2. An investment broker. 3. A property manager. 4. A second home owner. Flashcard 5. Term, 1. Definition, generally, real estate agents perform a comparative market analysis for their clients to 1. Help them determine a price to list when selling a home or a price to offer when buying a home. 2. Determine value when working with a relocation company. 3. When obtaining a FHA loan. 4. When a broker's price opinion isn't a viable option to determine value. Flashcard 6. Term, real estate licensees are allowed to sell a business opportunity only if the real estate is sold along with the business. True/false. Definition, false. Flashcard 7. Term, false broker associate. Definition, a sales associate qualifies for licensure as a broker, however, chooses to work under the direction of a broker. True/false. Flashcard 8. Term, conducting a real estate appraisal is the process of estimating the value of real estate. True/false. Definition, true. Flashcard 9. Term, a farm area is an area/neighborhood picked by a licensee to market to on a very regular basis. True/false. Definition, true. Flashcard 10. Term, per Florida statutes 177.091, plat maps must be recorded into the public records. True/false. Definition, true. Flashcard 11. Term, B. Definition, if a sales associate fails to take the 45-hour post-license course before the first renewal period, his or her license will A. Cease to be in force. B. No longer have a valid license and would have to start over. C. Be inactive. D. Be reactivated with a 28-hour course. Flashcard 12. Term, C. Definition, estate license, A. Helen specializing in the sale of time. Flashcard 13. Term, a real estate brokerage is a business where sales associates provide real estate services to clients for compensation. True/false. Definition, false. Flashcard 14. Term, C. Definition, to qualify for a Florida real estate license, the applicant must A. Be 18 years old or older and a U.S. citizen. B. Be 21 years old or older and a U.S. citizen. C. Be 18 years old or older and have a social security number. D. Be 21 years old or older and have a social security number. Flashcard 15. Term, 2. Definition, real estate licensee Lucy decided to target a specific area near her own home and began making consistent marketing touches to cultivate buyers and sellers. This process is known as 1. Canvassing. 2. Farming. 3. Plottage. 4. Blockbusting. Flashcard 16. Term, the initial licensing fee can be waived for military veterans and their spouses. True/false. Definition, true. Flashcard 17. Term, false. There are situations that do not require a license however requires registration. For example, real estate brokerages that are corporations must register corporate officers that are not also real estate licensees. Definition, everyone registered with the DBPR holds an active or inactive license that is regulated per Florida statutes 455. True/false. Flashcard 18. Term, B. Definition, a Florida attorney who completed all Florida real estate sales associate license and education requirements and held the license for 2 years can obtain a broker's license by completing which of the following requirements: A. The 72-hour broker course and the state broker exam but will not have to take any post-broker licensing courses. B. The 72-hour broker course, the state broker exam, and post-broker licensing 60-hour courses. C. The 72-hour broker course, the state broker exam, post-broker licensing 60-hour courses and continuing education. D. Exempt from all pre- and post-licensing courses but required to pass the state broker exam and continuing education courses. Flashcard 19. Term, 3. Definition, which real estate specialty generally consists of properties used for manufacturing, recycling, and distribution businesses. 1. Residential. 2. Commercial. 3. Industrial. 4. Agricultural. Flashcard 20. Term 4. Definition. Nick Slick is a property manager for Tony Tiger. Nick's main objective as a property manager is to 1. Obtain a renter for Tony Tiger's property. 2. Advertise that Tony Tiger has a property available for rent. 3. Collect rental payments and maintaining escrow accounts per the law. 4. Protect and maintain Tony Tiger's property while maximizing Tony Tiger's return on the investment. Flashcard 21. Term B. Definition. License is regulated under Florida Statute 475, A. Managing property leases for single-family homes. B. Flashcard 22. Term 3. Definition. Fred Flintstone. Developer Fred Letmick described the home.